This was my fifth attempt in which I have secured All India Rank 1. But before that, they have seen multiple failures because in the first 3 attempts, I could not clear the prelims itself. So prelims was initially a very big hurdle for me. Later on, I incorporated certain changes in my preparation with help of which I could get through prelims in 2023, in 2024 both. Last year, I did reach till the interview, but I think luck was not with me last year, so I missed the cutoff by 12 marks. But by God's grace, this year, here I am again back with you, because I remember last year when we had a conversation after the results when I couldn't clear it, and when you asked me, give us 5 months more, just hold on your grit, go full on, dive into the preparation, and that's what I did. Last year somebody would have said this to me, that God has bigger plans for you. I would have never admitted to it. I would have literally laughed off or got irritated. But today standing here, I can say कि कभी-कभी जो होता है, that happens for something or the other. See, nobody will be left idle in life. You will be doing some or the other thing. Just have confidence in yourself, थोड़ा सा faith, थोड़ा सा hope, and a lot of hard work if you want to stay in UPSC. Otherwise, come on, move out. Let's look for other options. There are so many that we can work upon.
So firstly, what was your experience there, and how did that help in getting the best outcome possible in GS?
To be very honest, I joined the Write Smart course. That time we had was exactly after prelims it started.
Right.
So we had those 3 months ka time. So I understood that I was not having enough time to go for live answer writing, because speed was not an issue for me. I could complete paper on time. Handwriting was not an issue. So I went for approaches where I could just basically make my answers look more presentable. So from Write Smart, first thing I understood how to analyze the previous year questions. Like I remember there was a topic, say self-help group. You were just showing us dimensions. Ye previous year questions mein hai. Prepare all of this, and these are some new dimensions that can be asked by UPSC. So that from previous year question, theme selection and generating new dimensions. Second thing, there were so many approaches you talked about, but one which I followed in last year also and this year also was GS paper based approach, where you talked about if you are talking, go for any answer, start analyzing the dimensions GS paper wise. History का कोई dimension आएगा क्या, geography, society, polity, IR. तो इस तरीके से I used to scan, and I was able to generate say 8 to 10 points based on that only. So I think this was one thing which helped me make my answers look much multi-dimensional and more balanced, I would say.
What you were doing in those 4 years? Were you continuously preparing for the prelims examination only, or you were covering for the mains as well?
It was a mixed strategy, sir, but I think I would say that my more of the parts of the day or the hours of the day were dedicated for prelims, because जब अब एक attempt तो चलो initially it was like I did not give it much preparation, so I was not hoping to clear it. Second attempt, I assumed it to be my first attempt with full preparation. जब वो नहीं हुआ तो I understood अच्छा ठीक है ये shortcomings रह गई. But when I couldn't clear the third prelims was then I faced a reality check कि I need to just hold on, look at things properly and understand that where things are actually going wrong. So that's when I think working on yourself, analyzing your own mistakes in the tests that we gave, in the main mocks that we gave, and also in the main examination. So analysis of all of that helped me change my strategy for the 4th attempt. Now the irony here is 3 attempts, no prelims, and then back-to-back clearing 2 prelims. So there was something definitely that worked for me. कि तीसरे attempt बाद जब नहीं हुआ, I realized one thing कि चलो अब थोड़ा note down करते हैं where I'm going wrong. I realized that I had very vague idea of attempting the paper. I started with question number 1, going till question number 100. If first 10 questions are of history, I'm gone because history was my weakest subject. तो इस तरीके से चल रहा था. But after that, what I did was, then second thing, I had no idea about the previous year questions. I used to just go through them like that, कि क्या था क्या नहीं, trying to solve them, which was the biggest blunder I did. And third thing was that I went on reading new things. Like अब I'll tell you, history was my weakest subject, and history is a subject जिसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा sources मैंने refer किए हैं. It's also because of that fear that might be ये नहीं होगा तो और book पढ़ लेने से हो जाएगा. These were the mistakes that I did. जिसकी वजह से what I changed was first to have a very limited resource that I could count on my fingertips. अभी इतना है, कुछ basics 4 NCERT 5 NCERTs हैं, some standard books हैं, कुछ fixed newspapers हैं that I used to follow, not 2, 3, 10, just one newspaper, but consistently daily. ठीक है? So this is how I used to follow for my prelim. Second thing, my previous year questions became my mantra. Like I am reading preamble, I need to see previous year question not just of prelims but also of mains, because in mains at time the dimensions they cover become a question for prelims in the upcoming years. That is what I have observed. So previous year questions का analysis, I also tell this to my students कि भाई 2013 onwards तो करो. उसके पहले का नहीं हो रहा है, nothing to worry about. Just go 2013 onwards and do it properly. So previous year questions were something. And third was mocks. अब mocks को कैसे लेना है, that has to be a very different thing. It's not something जहाँ आप अपने marks देखो. इट्स नॉट समथिंग जहां आप ये चीजें देखो कि भाई मेरे कितने स्कोर्स आ रहे हैं. इट इज द पेपर वे यू चेक जो मैंने बेसिक स्टैट्स पढ़ा था, जो मैंने बेसिक्स पढ़े थे, क्या वो गलत हो रहे हैं, कंसेप्ट्स गलत हो रहे हैं, फैक्ट्स गलत हो रहे हैं, करंट गलत हो रहा है. एंड फ्रॉम देयर आई पिक अप थिंग्स कि ओके आई नीड टू फोकस मोर ऑन फैक्ट्स. इट मीन्स आई नीड टू रिवाइज मोर. इफ माई कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस आर गेटिंग रॉन्ग, आई नीड टू रीड इट एंड अंडरस्टैंड इट प्रॉपर्ली. करंट गलत हो रहा है, आई नीड टू नाउ टेक अप अ सोर्स कि भाई अब ये सब्जेक्ट में करंट गलत हो रहे हैं, तो आई नीड टू फॉलो दैट प्रॉपर्ली. What I would suggest is please don't read anything new in these 30 days. First thing. Second thing is कि now I have to switch into full fast-paced revision mode where I'm revising my previous year question के notes, where I'm revising my basic NCRTs और जिसके भी मैंने notes 1 pages create कर लिए हैं, and I'm revising my current affairs. इसके अलावा the fourth or fifth thing that you need to focus on is if you have attempted multiple mocks, अगर उसके थ्रू आपने कोई learning ली थी और maybe you made notes out of certain things, हो सकता है कुछ questions आपको unique लगे, अच्छे लगे, just revise. So it is all about revising your current, revising your static, and like going for your previous year questions as the only source. Specifically, if I talk about the last 15 days right before your prelims, I would suggest don't go for those full length tests, but you can keep a practice of like 15 or 20 questions per day. I'm just going through MCQ ताकि वो aptitude maintain रहे. And I'm just reading the previous year question because the language or vocabulary of UPSC is very specific. You have to understand. कोई कितनी भी कोशिश कर ले, कोई भी institute, I don't think they're able to replicate that, right?
That's exactly what we say also.
Yeah, we can just try and maintain such certain questions ताकि वो आपके knowledge gap को fill in करे, आपके basic facts को check करे. But now UPSC has like started increasing the type of level of which kind of questions they are asking. वो उनका concept नहीं जा रहा है, but उनकी vocabulary थोड़ी change हो रही है. So you need to just read that in those last 10 days so that you know कि अच्छा ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हैं, ऐसे टाइप के स्टेटमेंट्स हैं जिसको यूपीएससी इज लाइक गोइंग. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट दीज आर सम काइंड ऑफ टेक्निक्स, बट दीज आर सम काइंड ऑफ बेसिक लर्निंग्स यू कैन पिक अप फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. सो दिस इज समथिंग आई वुड से रिवाइज, stick to your previous year questions and revise.